Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our style tutorial video. And today guys, thank you so much for coming into this video to watch this video so that you can actually learn from it. And in this video I will show you guys how you can actually get an official artist channel using Tunecore. I've actually done a video about it before, so now I tested it using Tunecore and I actually got this channel verified with a music note badge, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to teach you guys how I actually did it, the steps taken, and how long will you have to wait until YouTube approve your channel to be an official artist channel. So make sure to watch this video to the end, don't skip any part. Let's get into the video. Okay, the first step to do in this video is that first of all you have to upload a music. Okay, once you upload your music and you have proceeded to the checkout option, once you have done your checkout on Tunecore, okay, when it have said congratulations that your music have been sent for review, below it you will see claim artist profile. Okay, so it is showed the claim YouTube artist profile. So you will click that bar. Once you click that bar, it will direct you to a new page inside Tunecore dashboard that will allow you to claim your YouTube artist profile. Then it will prompt you to enter your Gmail address. That is, it prompts you to enter your Google address that is associated with your existing channel. Once you have done that, then the next procedure is that it will send this message on the screen that will be your application have been sent for reviewed by the distributor. So after some hours you will get this mail from YouTube that is coming into your mail. So this is the mail right here. You will get a mail that looks like this. Okay, it will say we've received your request for an official artist channel. So into the body of this mail it was written as, we've received a request to upgrade your channel to an official artist channel from your music distribution partner. We're reviewing it and we'll get back to you soon. In the meantime, you can learn more about the OAC program by visiting YouTube Help Center or contacting your distribution partner. So in the space of about 3 hours, your channel will officially get the verified badge. Okay, so once you have gotten the verified badge, you will be introduced with this message announcing upgrades to your official artist channel, a single channel for you and your music fans. So we have the body of this email that is here, that is notifying you about the upgrade that is coming to your channel, about the concert ticket that will be added. That means you will have new extra features in your YouTube channel. So that is basically about this perks of getting an official artist channel. So that is the process of how you can actually get verified using Tunecore as your distribution partner. So thank you guys, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.